REDARC's Tow-Pro Link is a tow bar mounted brake controller designed to keep vehicle modifications to a minimum. The Tow-Pro Link delivers a streamlined installation experience. Today we're going to walk you through how to install the Tow-Pro Link main unit, as well as the USB adhesive remote. The Tow-Pro Link comes with everything you need to complete the install. You will require some basic tools. Clean the Tow-Pro Link mounting surface using the supplied alcohol swab and allow to dry. Stick on the supplied foam adhesive tape. Press firmly to ensure good adhesion. Before securing the Tow-Pro Link main unit, refer to the mounting location checklist in the installation manual to ensure the location meets the criteria. Clean the mounting surface of dirt and debris. Clean the mounting surface with the supplied alcohol wipe. Thread zip ties through the mounting holes before attaching to the mounting surface. Hold for 30 seconds to ensure good adhesion. Use supplied metal cable ties to fix securely. Do not mount only using the adhesive strips. The unit can also be bolted to a mounting surface. This can be done using the supplied mounting template. However, do not modify a tow bar or chassis. The link must be mounted using all 4 mounting points. Trim and tidy up the excess. Isolate all batteries connected to the vehicle. Remove trailer plug from vehicle mount. Remove factory electrical tape, cover, and cable clamp from the trailer socket. Loosen the screw at terminal number 6 of the trailer socket and pull out the existing wire. Trim the end of the existing wire if needed, then restrip 12mm or half an inch of insulation. This is to create a tidy wire end for the next step. Remove the Wago splice connector from the Wago boot. Unlock the terminal lever on the Wago splice connector. Route the stripped wire through the spare leg of the Wago boot and into the free terminal on the Wago splice connector. If necessary, the leg can be trimmed to accommodate a larger wire up to 2.7mm in diameter. Lock the terminal lever on the Wago splice connector. Push the Wago connector into the Wago boot and close the lid. Wrap electrical tape around the wire entry legs as well as the main body and lid to help prevent water ingress. The red and blue wires on the main unit are supplied pre-stripped. If needed, trim them with a side cutter or cable cutter, then strip 12mm of insulation from the end of the wire before inserting into the trailer socket terminals. Insert the Tow-Pro Link red wire into terminal number 6 on the trailer socket on the vehicle. Tighten the terminal screw. Loosen the screw on terminal number 5 on the trailer socket. Your vehicle may have a blue wire from factory. This will need to be removed and isolated. This can be done by removing it from the trailer connector, wrapping it in electrical tape or heat shrink, and tucking it away. Insert the Tow-Pro Link blue wire into terminal number 5 on the trailer socket. Tighten the terminal screw. Refit the cable clamp and cover. Reapply electrical tape to tidy the install. Run the power supply cable, making sure to avoid exhaust manifolds and sharp objects. Route them neatly. This can be done by following existing looms on your vehicle through to the rear. Use the supplied cable ties to secure cables to fixed parts of the vehicle every 30cm or less. The next step is to connect the power supply for the Tow-Pro Link. Connect the black insulated lug on the wiring loom to a suitable chassis ground point. Avoid connecting directly to the negative battery terminal of modern vehicles, as this would bypass the vehicle's current sensing. For vehicles without current sensing, the negative can be connected directly to the negative terminal. Connect the red insulated lug on the wiring loom to the positive terminal of the vehicle start battery. Remove waterproof fuse cap. Confirm that the 25 amp fuse is in place. Plug the power connector on the wiring loom into the power connector on the main unit. Reconnect all batteries that were isolated at the beginning of the installation. Tidy up any cabling with supplied cable ties to ensure the install is neat and professional. Reconnect trailer plug to vehicle. If using the USB remote kit, it comes with what is displayed: the remote, alcohol wipe, and reusable adhesive tape. Ensure the back of the remote is clean and dry. Clean with the supplied alcohol swab and allow to dry. Remove backing from one side of the tape. Carefully position a piece of the reusable nanotube adhesive tape on the marked areas on the back of the remote. Press firmly over the whole strip. Repeat with the second piece of tape. Clean off any grease or dust using the supplied alcohol swab. Make sure the mounting surface and the back of the remote are clean and dry. Firmly press the remote onto the mounting location for approximately 10 seconds. If the tape is touched or is dropped and gets dirty, it can be renewed using water. Plug the USB connector into a powered USB-A socket. Test the remote to make sure it is working. Congratulations, you've now installed your Tow-Pro Link and USB remote head. For any further information, make sure to head over to redarcelectronics.com.